Hey INFOrmed Beauties, today is all about a hair tutorial. We're going to be crocheting in some of this kinky curly hair. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All links, information will be down below, so enjoy! Hey you guys, so I want to share with you guys the braid pattern that I did for these crochet. That I did for the crochet hair. Now, if my back doesn't look as together, just know that braiding the back part of your own hair is horrible. Like, my arms were so tired, I didn't even care. I'm like, as long as it's a solid foundation for me to crochet into, that's all that matters. Also, I did leave out quite a bit in the front here. In the front here, I left out quite a bit. I left out quite a bit. These side lines I left out, and then I left out this little piece here in the back. So before I start crocheting it in, the thought process or the idea behind that is that I want to be able to put this up into a ponytail. I want to be able to push it back. I even want to attempt a half up, half down. I want to have a little bit more versatility with this hairstyle. So that is the reason why I decided to leave some hair out. So now we're going to jump into me crocheting this in, and let's hope for the best. So the hair that I'm going to be using to crochet in is this hair here. It is an Afro kinky twist hair in the number 4. I got it off of Amazon, and it is about 8 inches, I believe, 8 inches. So just for reference, like, it'll fall about here. In the back it will fall a little bit lower, but I wanted something that was shorter and not as long. So let's go ahead and let's start to separate these to install them. So let's cut off this little part here. I don't mind a little bit of frizz in my hair because naturally that's kind of already what I have. This is what one piece looks like, but I'm actually going to show you guys a more put together piece because that piece, it had an issue. So let's grab another one really quickly. Here we go, here we go. So this is what a piece looks like all together, and this is how I'm going to be installing them. I'm not going to separate any pieces, so I'm going to use a lovely latch hook here. Okay, you guys, so now we are going to start on the top part of my head so I can show you guys exactly how I do this crochet. Let me give you a quick spin around of what it's looking like. Hey girl, hey. Okay, so, and actually I like this angle. I think I'm gonna start filming in this angle from this point on. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start at this braid here in the front. I'm going to bring that crochet loop through. Okay. Take a strand of hair. And you want to make sure that you get it clean onto the crochet hook so that it's a clean pull through. Close the hook, pull it straight through. Make that lovely loop. And I pull one strand through, and then I pull it tight, and then I also pull it to the side so that it falls off on this side of my head. Okay, you guys, so I finished putting in the hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it all looks like. Okay, so off the back, I know this hair is going to be a problem if you don't like put some mousse in it or tie it up. So what I am going to do, because next I'm going to tackle my edges to put like a little bit of a styling gel in them or whatnot to lay them down, so that tomorrow when I unravel them, they mesh more with the actual hair here. So I'm going to actually like pin this hair back or put it into a ponytail to just keep it together while we do that. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm just gonna start to unravel this front part of my hair, and what I'm going to use is I'm just going to use a little bit of this Mielle curl sculpting custard. Just use a little bit of this, and I'm going to flat twist it again and just let it sit overnight so that I can get some great definition. I don't know how I want to wear this yet. Like, I don't know if I want to wear it in half up, half down. But tomorrow we'll just go with however we feel. I will be back to show you guys how I'm gonna style this hair. I do need to get a bonnet because I feel like with this hair a bonnet is very, very needed, because if you don't have a bonnet, I feel like this hairstyle will not last. And my scarf is long, but it's not long enough. I probably will have to double up on the scarf just to make sure that this hair in the back is protected. So I think I'm just gonna double up on scarves tonight, but I'm gonna have to go ahead and invest in a bonnet. But anyways, you guys, I will be back tomorrow to show you guys the final results of this look, how I'm gonna style it and everything. So I will see you in the morning. Peace. All right, you guys, so it is the next day, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to untwist the braids in the front just to see what definition I got. I already untwisted the ones in the back and on the side. If you guys want to know while I'm rushing, it is because my camera doesn't have a lot of life to it, so I want to hurry up and do this before it dies. So I'm just putting a little bit of oil on my fingers, and the oil that I'm using is the Curls Blueberry Mint and Peppermint, Blueberry Mint and Blueberry Mint Scalp Treatment. That's right here. So I'm just going to take a little bit, and I'm just going to start to unravel the front. Now, if you guys see white flakes coming from my hair, it is because you guys know the Mielle, I did a full review on it, but the problem with the Mielle gel, I feel like it just doesn't work with my hair. It leaves my hair flaky, and even with me not putting a lot of product, even with me not putting so much product in my hair or in the front, it still has a little bit of a flaking issue. So more than likely I would not really grab for that again. So how I'm going to wear this style is that I'm actually going to just push it back like this. Let's see. I don't want to take away from the natural look of the hair, so I'm not going to like put too much edge control on. Just a little bit, like little bit. Because I really like the natural look of the hair. I'm going to take just one of these. It's like a knee-high stocking. I use them a lot for my high puffs. And I'm going to tie it around the back. I'm going to push it back just like that. And I'm actually going to just tie it in the back. And so it's just like a little headband, and then you have my natural hair here, which I'm just going to kind of fluff into place like so, just to make it blend really nicely as much as possible, because the ends on this side, they just look like they just want to do whatever they want to do. And then another key thing is shaking the hair. And there you go. Simple, simplicity. And this is what it looks like. Alright, you guys, so that is how I did this full crochet look. All information will be down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.